I got pretty much everything in that I wanted. Mike's going to be cramped tomorrow. Ooh, ow! Hi everyone, yes, it's still me, Kieran from 81 Vintage, except I've had a midlife crisis and dyed my hair grey. Let me know down in the comments below what you think, and if you've had a midlife crisis, what you did for it. But anyway, today's video is all about how I managed to make £2,000 in one day, and why I quit markets forever. Now, if you've been around for a little while, you'll probably know that I have done quite a few markets in the past, and then we moved to having a shop space. At that point, we stopped doing markets. Also, all of the pandemic hit, and then we have really only done this one market, which has been our first market in over 3 years. And let me tell you, it's our biggest market that we ever did. And our last. I've been preparing for this market for quite a few months. I've just been doing bits and pieces, projects that I've done here before on the channel, so lots of tonic cabinets, lots of apothecary drawers, lots of IKEA hats and things like that, so that I had a really good stock of items. And I had items priced at really low prices, as low as £3 or £4, and items going all the way up to £220, £350. And all of these pieces were all really unique at the market. Nobody had anything else like this. Hi everyone, it's Kieran from 81 Vintage. This weekend we are at the Cheshire Showground fair, we are at the antiques market, and my house is full of stuff ready to bring with us. Our old favourite tonic cabinets in lots of sizes. We've got super stylish dog beds. Our old favourite anatomy figures in lots of sizes and shapes. Chesterfield armchair. We've got clown heads, circus lights and circus signs. The last of our exclusive eye cushions, all made from velvet. And we've also got lots of apothecary jars, cabinets, little units, and lots more fun furniture and home decor. So if you can, do be sure to pop on by. And if you can't make it or you're not local, we will be sharing all of what we took and how we got on over on our YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe. So we had a little bit of a saga with the van. I booked a van and had to submit my details online, and they rejected them because it didn't tell me to put my middle name in, and I have a middle name. So I looked elsewhere to find a van, was told that one had been booked elsewhere, went to go and get it, van not there, so then had to ring back the first place, see whether they could get me resolve the issue with my name. They did sort that out, and we've finally been and collected a van, and it's a monster. I can't drive it very well, it's juggling all over the place, and I keep giving myself whiplash with all of the jerky movements. But now it's 7:10 at night, and we get the fun task of running round, finding all of the stuff in the house, and packing it all ready for market tomorrow. It's now 9:30, everything's loaded and ready for tea and ready for tomorrow, and I'll show you what it looks like. I got pretty much everything in that I wanted. Mike's going to be cramped tomorrow to fit everything in. And there's not a single space wasted. By the end of the fair, we'd sold quite a few items, but we actually had quite a lot left. We'd made over £1,200 at the event, and we still had all this stuff available. So I reached out to one of my contacts on Instagram, sent him all pictures of what I had, told him what the total cost of it that I was, charging at retail would have been, which is still quite reasonable because they were fair prices. And then I cut a wedge off the top and I gave him the whole lot for £850 if he could collect quickly so that I could have room back in the house. And he agreed, and that meant that actually my grand total for the day came to £2,000. Considering most of these items were thrifted and cost very little money, I was really pleased with that. Some of my best sellers were some signs that I paid about £6 for and sold for £45. I also had a cabinet that I paid less than £20 for and sold for £160. And these are the types of items that I share with you on my channel, and I'll be sharing more and more of my secrets as we go forward. So if you're interested in that type of thing, be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.